We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there, it's Chris over here at Onyx. In this video, I'll show you how to clean the scanner glass on your OKI MB562. The first step is to open the scanner lid and expose the glass. Next, you'll need a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Do not spray the glass cleaner directly on the scanner glass, as this may damage it. Instead, spray some glass cleaner on the cloth and then wipe the scanner glass gently. Sometimes you may notice some whiteout or other marks on the glass. If that happens, just clean it again with the cloth until it's clear. If you are using the automatic document feeder and you see some defects on the scanned documents, you may need to clean the small strip of glass next to the scanner glass. If the defects persist, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.